Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In today's video, we'll explore the revamped product view in Odoo 18. Odoo has introduced several enhancements to make product management more intuitive, and we'll go over each of these changes step by step. Whether you're upgrading from Odoo 17 or just curious about what's new, this video will help you understand the key improvements. So let's dive in.
To showcase the enhancements, we'll open the sales app, go to Products, and click New to access the product configuration form. When creating a new product in Odoo 18, you'll notice some modifications to the checkbox option. Sales, purchase, and subscription replace the previous labels like can be sold and can be purchased. A new point of sale checkbox allows you to make a product available in POS with the simple selection. Next, in the General Information tab in Odoo 17, products were categorized as consumable, storable, service, and others. But in Odoo 18, this has been simplified into three main types. Goods, which now includes both consumable and storable products, services for non-physical offerings, and combo for bundled products. This refinement helps eliminate confusion and makes product categorization more intuitive. Previously in Odoo 17, inventory tracking was managed under the Inventory tab. Now the setting has been moved to the General Information tab, making it much easier to configure. If you select goods, you can enable inventory tracking and choose how to track it by quantity, lot, or unique serial number, all from the same screen. You can also notice that there are no separate fields for sales and purchase units of measure. Instead, this has been replaced and is now located near the sales price. As for customer tax, it is now called sales tax, and vendor tax, which was previously under the purchase tab, has been renamed and moved to the general information tab. Finally, let's talk about combo choices. In Odoo 17, combo choices had their own tab within the product form and were only available in the point of sale module, not on the website or sales. In Odoo 18, this feature has been moved to the Product General tab, simplifying its management. Additionally, combo products are now supported on the website, allowing customers to select combo options directly on the product page and add them to the cart seamlessly. We will cover this in more detail in our upcoming videos. That's it for today. With new product types, improved inventory tracking, and a more organized interface, managing products in Odoo has become more efficient. Thanks for watching and see you next time.